And that's us back at the shop. The current owner didn't want to be on video. I was going to do a little video while I was purchasing, but it's fair enough, he didn't want to be on video. Most people don't. I'm only just coming to terms with doing it myself. But as you can see, she's a very nice bike. Does have a few issues. So we've got a little engine oil leak down underneath. Don't know whether that's coming from the bung where somebody's had a service, or whether it's actually got a casing leak, but we shall investigate that and find out. Silly little bits that these are hanging off. Again, nothing. We got brake light switch damaged, so this don't work. Front brake light don't work at all. What else have we got? So we got bolt missing out here. Bracket doesn't line up to the exhaust. Again, nothing major. We'll soon sort that out. What else have we got? You see, he's got a depth exhaust. It's got a shorty on the rear. Far too loud, but it sounds good when it's opened up. Nice set of graphics on her. She got the orange clamps. Same as what you get in the factory editions. Somebody's had a go. Looks like powder coat. They've powder coated the actual casing, water pump housing. Looks like they've done it with the bolts in as well. It's going to be an absolute pain when you wanted to crack it off. But overall, it's a very nice bike. 125 road legal. These are not legal to ride on your CVT because of the brake horsepower output, but people do. Put a set of hour plates on it, the old bill will never know. Other than that, the tyres, they're good. The chain and sprocket's good, it needs a bit of an adjustment, bit of a grease up. Otherwise, it ain't in bad shape at all. The hours on this one are a little bit high. Battery's gone in the clock, so I'll have to fire it out and check the hours. I believe it's about 6,000 miles on this one. Again, wheels are in good shape. What else? Oh, the guy didn't know anything about bikes, bless him. Always wanted one, bought it. He's had it a couple of weeks and then couldn't start it properly. Didn't know there was a choke down there. He's bought a new set of grips. Says they're the wrong ones. He's forced this one on. Said it was really tight. It's because he's put them on the wrong way around. Genuine KTM ones as well. Other than that, she's a nice bike. We'll give her a good service. We'll do all the little issues. Mint it right up. Our Craig will work his magic. And then she'll be out the door. This won't take long for it to go. These bikes are lovely. So yeah, if you're after a 125 EXC, come and see us, Concept MX, and we will get you sorted.